Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given radical equation. Square root of x equals to 33 minus the square root of x minus 33. In other words, we are going to solve for x values. And eventually, we are going to check our answers for any extraneous solutions. And please make sure that our domain is going to be x greater than or equal to 33 and less than infinity. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to share with you with two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. Let's go ahead and get started and let's focus on our this given radical equation. And I'm going to move this radical part on the left hand side. So once we move this one, that is going to give us square root of x plus square root of x minus 33 equals to 33, as you can see in this next step. And now I am going to take a square on both sides of this equation. And now let's recall this famous identity. A plus b whole square could be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, and we are going to apply it on the left hand side of this equation. So therefore this could be written as square root of x whole square plus likewise square root of x minus 33 whole square plus 2 times square root of x, and then square root of x minus 33 is going to be equal to 1089. And now we can see this square and square root, they undo each other. Likewise, they undo each other as well. So therefore, we are ended up with x plus x minus 33 plus 2 times square root of x times square root of x minus 33 equals to 1089. And now if we combine these two like terms, x plus x is going to give us 2x, as you can see in this next step. And now I'm going to add 33 on both sides, and we can see this negative 33 and positive 33, they are gone. And if we add these one, that is going to give us 1122, as you can see in this next step. And now I am going to divide each and every term by 2 across the board to make things simple. So therefore we are ended up with x plus square root of x times square root of x minus 33 equals to 561. And I'm going to call this one our equation number 1. So thus we are ended up with this equation 1. And now we are going to solve for x value. And now let's focus on our this original equation. And here I have copied it down. And now I'm going to move this part to the right hand side. And at the same time, I'm going to move this radical part in the opposite direction. So therefore, we are going to have square root of x minus 33 is going to be equal to 33 minus square root of x. And now let's focus on this equation 1 once again. I'm going to focus on this part, square root of x minus 33. And we know our square root of x minus 33 equal to 33 minus square root of x. So I'm going to replace that one with 33 minus square root of x over here, as you can see in this next step. And now I'm going to distribute these ones. So therefore this could be written as x plus 33 times square root of x, and then minus square root of x times square root of x is going to give us simply x, and that is going to be equal to 561. And now we can see x and negative x, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with 33 times the square root of x equal to 561. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 33 to isolate square root of x. This is gone. So therefore square root of x turns out to be equal to 17. And now we are going to undo this square root by taking a square on both sides. And here we can see square root and square, they undo each other. So therefore our solution x value turns out to be 17 square is going to be 289. So thus our solution x value turns out to be 289 by using the very first method. And now I'm going to show you the alternative method. And now let's focus once again on this equation 1. And here I have copied down our equation 1. And now we are going to multiply these radicals. And now we can see inside this radical, if we distribute x, that is going to give us x square minus 33 times x. And now I'm going to move this x on the other side. So therefore we are ended up on the left hand side with x square minus 33 times x equal to 561 minus x. And now I'm going to undo this square root by taking a square on both sides of this equation. So the left hand side, this square root and square, they cancel each other out. So we ended up with x square minus 33 x is going to be equal to, and now let's recall another famous identity, a minus b whole square could be written as a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. And we are going to apply it on the right hand side binomial. So therefore this is going to be 3, 14, 7, 21 minus 11, 22 times x plus x square. And here we can see this x square and x square, they are gone. And I'm going to move this part on the other side. As you can see in this next step, I have moved this part on the other side with a positive sign. And if we combine these like terms, that is going to give us 1089 times x. As you can see in this next step, I have combined these like terms, and we are ended up with 1089 times x. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 1089 to isolate x. We can see this is gone. So therefore our solution x value is going to be equal to 289. So thus our solution x value turns out to be 289 as well by using the second approach. And here's our final step. Now we are going to check our answer for any extraneous solution for x values. So therefore we are going to focus on this original radical equation, and we are going to substitute x equals to 289 value over here, and x equals to 289 value over here as well, as you can see in this next step. And we are going to see whether the left hand side equals to the right hand side. And now we can see the square root of 289 is simply 17. And this inside this radical part, 289 minus 33 is going to give us 256. If we take a square root of that one, that is going to give us simply 16. So therefore we can write 17 is it equal to 33 minus 16. And now we can see 33 minus 16 is 17. So therefore we can see 17 turns out to be equal to 17, and we checked our answer. So thus we conclude that x equals to 289 is our only solution. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.